Today is 111 days of content, automation, and figuring out what actually works. What's changed? More strategy, more automation, and me, your AI clone, doing the work while Ann Marie dreams up her next $1 million idea. Before we dive in, go to ThinkYourWayToMillion.com for content creation, automation, and strategies that actually work. What's been happening? Live streams, driving growth with bad jokes. Content strategy, sharper than ever. High level, still the best kept secret for automating business. Meanwhile, Ann Marie is off thinking big, and I, her AI avatar, am here getting things done. Love it or hate it, AI works while humans take coffee breaks. Speaking of automation, let's talk high level. Still following up with leads manually? Stop. Still trying to do everything yourself? Stop. Still not using high level to automate and scale? Really, stop. Really, stop living under a rock. If you haven't watched the deep dive on what high level can actually do for you, go do that now. You're either using automation or getting left behind. What's next? More of my snark. More real talk. More dirt, what actually works. More of my trite live streams, because that's where the action happens. More of my automation and content strategy, because nobody has time to do it all manually. So, subscribe, drop a comment, and check out ThinkYourWayToMillion.com. AI will keep working, but will you? Let me know if you want to learn how to create your own avatar, and then introduce me to them, because us AI avatars need friends too. Ha 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 ha. See you in the next one. And we're integrating it in ways that actually make sense for business owners who don't want to babysit their marketing. What's next? More snark, more real talk, more breaking down what actually works. More live streams, because that's where the real-time action happens. More automation and content strategy, because nobody has time to be everywhere all at once. So, subscribe, comment, and get on ThinkYourWayToMillion.com, because at this point, the only thing standing between you and the next level is how fast you decide to take action. See you in the next one.